Hello and welcome to your GoodBarber back office. Today we'll learn how to manage the cookies in the progressive web app version of your shop. Don't forget, the cookies alert is mandatory on all European sites. To set it up, go to the menu Settings, Other Settings, Cookies. Enable the alert by toggling this button. Voila, you can now set up your alert. The goal is to inform your user that you're using cookies. So I customize the title and text. You can also insert a link in the alert, for example, towards your privacy policy. Finally, the Accept button. You can customize the design of the alert. Save, and you're done. You now know how to display and set up the cookie alert. See you soon for another tutorial.